Cooking in the wild doesn't have to mean burnt marshmallows and cold beans. With the right stove, you can turn a campsite into your own outdoor kitchen. And this year, camping stoves are smarter, lighter, and way more powerful than ever before. So in this video, I'm counting down the 6 best camping stoves that can make your outdoor adventures the perfect camping experience. You'll find links to the best prices for all the camping stoves mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these camping stoves aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Coleman Cascade Classic. This is the most budget-friendly camping stove on our list. It's simple, reliable, and doesn't cost nearly as much as some of the fancier setups you might have looked at. This stove has plenty of cooking power with 22,000 BTUs split between 2 burners. That's strong enough to boil water quickly or cook a meal for the whole campsite without waiting around. Each burner has its own control knob, and the new design makes adjusting heat much smoother. You can simmer without worrying about burning your food. Starting it is also quick since it uses rotary ignition, so no hunting for matches every time. The stove fits a 12-inch and a 10-inch pan side by side, which is plenty of space for breakfast or dinner outdoors. It also has 2 wind guards that fold up from the sides to keep the flame steady if it's breezy. And if you want to expand your setup later, it's also compatible with Coleman's cast iron griddle accessory. As Natalie wrote, "We use this to cook our breakfast and other meals for camping. It is strong. You can easily ignite the fire and prevent the wind from turning off the flame. This is a perfect stove. It's so powerful too, and I liked how I was able to regulate the heat. When you're done, the chrome pan support lifts out for easy cleaning, and the lid latches shut with a heavy-duty clip. There's even a recessed handle, so carrying it around is no problem. Now, on a single 16-ounce propane cylinder, you'll get about an hour of high-heat cooking, and when it's time to refill, it's pretty cheap and easy to find at hardware stores. Overall, the Coleman Cascade Classic gives you dependable cooking performance at a price that's hard to beat. Number 5 is the Primus Kingia. This one is the most compact camping stove on our list. The size of this stove is way slimmer than most 2-burner stoves. At less than 19 inches wide and only about 3 inches tall, it's a perfect stove for you if you've limited space in your car drawers or camp setup. Even though it's small, it still gives you 2 burners, each pushing 10,200 BTUs, so you can cook 2 pots at different temps without feeling limited. The design is simple but smart. It weighs about 8 pounds, and the oak-trimmed stainless steel handle locks the stove shut when you're moving it. That same handle also protects the knobs, so they won't get banged up in storage. Inside, you'll have removable stainless steel pot supports and a drip tray, which makes cleaning fast. The grate can even be flipped upside down to lower your pots closer to the flame. That's handy if you're dealing with wind. Performance-wise, it can handle anything from a gentle simmer to full-blast cooking, and since it skips the usual piezo ignition, you'll need a lighter or torch, but that also means one less part to fail over time. It's made in Europe with solid materials, so you're paying for durability. Overall, the Primus Kingia is light, tough, and easy to pack, which makes it the best compact stove when space really matters. Number 4 is the iKamper Disco Series Camping Grill. This one is the best overlanding camping stove on our list. This stove has a modular design. You get a stove, a tripod, and a skillet that all pack down small but open up into a full camp kitchen in just seconds. The setup is real quick. You just unfold the 3 legs, set the stove on, and you're ready to cook. That means less waiting around when you're hungry on the trail. The skillet has a porcelain enamel coating, so unlike cast iron, you don't have to season it. It works almost like a non-stick pan, which makes both cooking and cleanup a lot easier. Just wipe it down and you're done. And if you'd rather cook over fire instead of the burner, you can hang the skillet underneath the tripod and use it like a cowboy pan over the campfire. The cooking space is large enough for bigger meals, and you can use your own pots and pans if you want. Now, it's made from stainless steel and anodized aluminum, so it's durable but still light enough for overlanding. Overall, the iKamper Disco Series is quick to set up, easy to clean, and versatile enough to handle anything from fajitas to full campfire cooking. And if you want to know the latest prices for the camping stoves discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Snowpeak Home and Camp Burner. This one is the best one-burner camping stove on our list. The design is what makes this stove stand out. It fits all your needs for a small camping setup. At first, it folds up into a small, sleek block about the size of a thermos, and when you open it, the whole thing transforms into a full stove with a stable base. That means you can throw it in a bag without it taking up much room and still get a reliable cooking setup when you need it. It runs on butane fuel, which is easy to find and cheap compared to isobutane. The burner puts out 8,333 BTUs. It's not the most powerful stove on the list, but it's strong enough for boiling water, making coffee, or cooking a meal for 1 or 2 people. Plus, there's a copper heating plate under the fuel canister. That warms the butane as you cook, so the stove keeps working even in cooler weather when butane usually struggles. Now, the build quality is solid. It's made with stainless steel, aluminum, and brass, so it feels sturdy but only weighs around 3.5 pounds. The platform can hold pots and pans from about 4.5 up to 12 inches wide, which is pretty flexible for a single burner. Overall, the Snowpeak Home and Camp Burner is the best single burner stove you can bring along to your campsite. Number 2 is the Camp Chef Mountaineer. This one is the most rough and tumble camping stove on our list. This stove is made for people who need something tough but easy to carry. The whole body is made from lightweight aluminum, so not only does it weigh about 16 pounds, but it also won't rust if you're in humid or wet conditions. That makes it perfect for overlanding trips, river rafting, or any adventure where your gear takes a beating. Power-wise, it's no slouch. You get 2 cast aluminum burners, each pushing 20,000 BTUs. That's a total of 40,000 BTUs, so boiling water or cooking a big skillet of food happens fast. And with the 3-sided windscreen, you don't have to worry about the flame cutting out when the breeze picks up. The cooking space is also larger than most compact stoves. At 24 by 12.5 inches, you can run a couple of pots or pans side by side without fighting for room. Plus, the matchless ignition means you just turn the knob and you're cooking. When it's time to pack up, the lid folds down into a suitcase style with latches and a carry handle, which makes it easy to haul around. By default, it hooks up to a standard propane tank, but if you prefer those smaller canisters, you can grab an adapter for that too. Overall, the Mountaineer is that rugged go-anywhere stove that can handle about anything you throw at it. Number 1 is the Camp Chef Everest 2X. This one is the best overall camping stove on our list. What I like about this stove is how simple it is to use. From matchless ignition to compact packing like a suitcase, this camping stove doesn't stop giving you tasty surprises. Each of the 2 burners pushes out 20,000 BTUs, so together you're working with 40,000 BTUs of power. That means whether you're boiling water for coffee or frying up a full breakfast, it gets the job done fast. When the wind picks up, its 3-sided windscreen keeps the flame steady and your meals protected. This is what Nick wrote. This grill has an insane amount of heat available and can boil a pot of water in minutes. The whole grill is high quality and looks like it will last a lifetime. The igniter switch is very nice and always lit the burner on the first try. It runs on those little 1-pound propane bottles right out of the box. But if you want to save money in the long run, you can grab a refillable tank or an adapter for a bigger propane setup. Either way, it's flexible. The cooking space is pretty generous too. The grate is about 21 by 10 inches, which means you can fit a couple of good-sized pans side by side. And the flame control is smooth. You can go from a gentle simmer all the way up to a full blast without the flame jumping around. Overall, the Camp Chef Everest 2X is just the right mix of power, convenience, and portability, which makes it the best overall pick on our list. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect camping stove. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each stove. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.